Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the problem, a quick intro. A ballast water treatment system, or BWTS, is fitted on board every ship to treat ballast water and remove harmful marine organisms. It's required by IMO's Ballast Water Management Convention to prevent the spread of invasive species from one port to another. So keeping it running properly is a must during PSC and USCG inspections. Now, in this video I'll explain how I solved the BWTS not working issue. The TRO value was showing erratic or wrong readings, even after the BWTS was running fine. When we checked the CLX, we found that no buffer solution was being injected into the test water. So we planned to check the check valve and tubes. Everything was clear and in good order. The magnetic drive pump was also checked and found to be running satisfactorily. We cleaned the cuvette, checked the other tubes, and verified all electrical connections. Everything was fine. While checking the solution discharge line, we noticed that a small part of the nozzle was missing. That nozzle acts as a non-return valve. If it's not there, the magnetic pump can't create suction. This was the reason no buffer solution was being injected into the test equipment. We've ordered the part, and today we're fixing the issue. After this, I'll show you the trial run. During ballasting, the TRO should be between 5 to 10 ppm. During de-ballasting, it should be 0.1 ppm and below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss my next videos on ship machinery and troubleshooting. For further doubts, drop them in the comments below. If there's any other system you want me to explain, let me know and I'll make a video on it. Thanks for watching.